So how can you make your own ringtone on the iPad but without Garageband? Let's explain that and let me show you how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, so running the latest version of the iPad OS, which is currently iPad OS 26.1, but iPad OS 26 at least is required for this, because after this version, what's interesting is that you can have your own files, whatever it might be. It might be like an audio or MP3 file, and it can literally be saved in the Files application. And what you can do now is to hold down on it, and you can click on Share, and it gives you the ability to use it as a ringtone. Right, so that's very useful and very specific, right? Because you can see that you can literally pick your recording like that to be the ringtone, and that way you can use literally any MP3 file or sound option you have in your Files app. I'm mentioning this because that's kind of new. It's not being part of the iPad, and we were required to use GarageBand and these other services to export a specific audio file format, and then it could be used to be as a ringtone. And right now it's made much simpler. You can see just click of a button is required, and you can turn any sound file into your ringtone on the iPad as well as on the iPhone, so it gets the job done. It works very well. So yeah, just make sure you update, and that's how you can find it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you knew about it to begin with. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos and the tutorials as well.